In this video, we will use Room Maker tool. The Room Maker is a great tool to dress up a room. Start the Room Maker and click inside the room shape. The Room Maker recognizes the room and you can navigate from wall to wall with the wall finder arrows. We always work on the opposite wall. First, you can add a door. Select one from the favorites list or use the Browse button to find even more. Select a door from the sliding doors. Change the width, the height and the material of the door. Click on the Add New Material button. Design Center, which contains all material types, will appear. Search for the desired material by typing the first part of the material name. Select the appropriate material from the list. Click on the Create button to place the door. Once the door is placed on the wall, you can change its distance from the corners. Do the same to insert doors to other walls. Now we will insert windows into a wall. Select the window page of the Room Maker. Similar to the previous example, now you need to select a window shape, customize its width, height and sill height, and set up the material. Search for the desired material by typing the first part of the material name. Select the appropriate material from the list. Click on Create button to place the window. Click on Insert New button to insert another window into the same wall. Set up the properties. Click on Create, change the distance, and click on Update. Repeat these steps as many times as it is necessary in order to insert new windows. Navigate to other walls to insert additional windows with custom shape and settings. ARCHLine.XP offers a wide variety of window treatments. Select a curtain and customize it. Select each windows and add curtains. There are many ways to bring in new fabrics and other materials when you need them. You can use pre-installed materials, or you can create a customized one, or you can also download one from a website or from ARCHLine.XP showroom. The ARCHLine.XP showroom is a collection of fabrics, lamps, furniture and other ARCHLine.XP items delivered to you by manufacturers. Just find a fabric, click on the Download button and start using it. Besides showroom, you can also import fabrics from the producer's website. Click on the Internet browser icon. Your browser opens the ARCHLine.XP Useful Links website. You can insert directly the link of the producer's website into the Browse field. In our example, we go to Harlequin website to select a fabric. Choose the desired fabric pattern. Now right-click on the big image and choose Copy Image command. Return to Room Maker and select New Material icon. Press the Paste button. The image appears in the dialog box. Set the parameters. Type the name or copy and paste from the website into the name field. Close the dialog box. The curtain picks up the new fabric.